Hey guys, what's up? I'm Cody from Ecko Outdoors. Today we're just going to go over some of the different jerry cans or fuel caddies that Skidoo offers with their LinQ system. So first off, you got the usual one that's been around since the LinQ system came out. It's very handy, it's not too tall. It just clips into the LinQ brackets that come with it, just like these here. Any Rev XM or Rev Gen 4 comes with the hole's already pre-drilled. They just got a little decal over top. You cut a hole where in the decal where these go into, and it's really simple to install. So yeah, there's that one. And the other one they came out with a few years ago was this stackable one. So it's a little bit bigger. It's 14.5 liters versus the 11 liters that the original one is. And it has this plate on top, so you can put something else on top of your jerry can if you'd like. Like how we got set up here is the LinQ tool holders. You can buy a set of these, and you can fold up a shovel and put it on top. So that's a nice way to carry your shovel if you want one on your sled for when you get stuck, or if you're digging snow for whatever reason. You should always have one in your backpack, but if you want a second one, that fits good on there. Third one they just came out with recently is this smaller one. It holds 3.8 liters. It's really small, you're not going to notice it on there at all. So if you just need a little bit of, say, pre-mixed fuel for a chainsaw or something if you're doing work, or if you don't really want to carry a jerry can but you want a little bit extra fuel just in case you do run out, this is a nice option because you're not going to notice on your, you're not really going to kick it or anything. It's very low how it sits compared to the rest. This was kind of formed after the oil jerry can they came out with last year, which is good. Again, if you're carrying tools with you, you need extra oil, or if you're going on a really long trek on trails with your sled, you can put extra oil in here so you know you're good. This is also 3.8 liters. So yeah, that's it for today on the Skidoo LinQ jerry cans that we offer. Make sure to go check them out and get yourself set up.